Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-journeying back to ancient Rome to uncover the true story of its most iconic landmark, the Colosseum. Think of the Colosseum, and you probably picture brutal gladiator fights to the death. But that's only a small part of the story. Completed in 80 AD, this massive amphitheater wasn't just a place for bloodshed. It was a grand stage for imperial power. Imagine over 50,000 Romans, all seated according to their social status, watching incredible spectacles. The emperors funded these events, not just for entertainment, but to win the people's loyalty and distract them from daily hardships. Gladiators were highly trained professionals, like the superstars of their day. There were also elaborate staged hunts with exotic animals, showing Rome's vast reach across the world. While public executions did happen, they were rare, serving as stark warnings of the state's authority. So, the Colosseum was less about death and more about power, propaganda, and control. It was a masterpiece of political theater. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the past, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.